Hello, it's Elliot here. Haven't made a video in a while, so, yeah. Well, I haven't a good idea for one, so. And so I'm repairing or rather, cleaning my Apple Mighty Mouse, the wired one. This thing can scroll down, but not up. And I tried to roll it upside down on the white paper. Did not work, so I'm going to do it this way, the hard way. I'm going to tear it apart. See if I can do anything about this. So, yeah, I want to take this thing. Well, yeah, what I'm going to be using is this thing. It's a little chisel tip for digging into this. And I'm also going to use this little screwdriver. And I got these all from this sexy looking toolbox. Check it out. Oh, okay, let me move the camera. Alright, so, I already kind of pre-cracked this part because I was playing around with it with my fingernail, getting ready, reading the guide. So yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah, see, I already pre-cracked it a little bit, so, but not the others. This is my first time opening it, so I'm kind of scared. Oops. So, shoot. Just trying to be careful to keep this in the frame. Come on. Yeah, I know I'm just using my fingers. Maybe we should just use this. Oh, hey, it cracked. There we go. Hey, I'm actually doing this without anyone else to look over me. And yeah, it's my first time doing something like that. Oh, okay. Yep, cracks again. Okay, we just need to get past this last part. Oh, yeah. Just to tell you guys, when you take this ring off, you can't be afraid to break anything. All right, just when you feel something stuck, you gotta really go like that. All right, you can't be afraid to loosen it up because it's gotta go through its tough times. Yeah. So don't be afraid to break it. It's pretty sturdy. It's not gonna crack that easy. Unless you're really careless, you still gotta be careful. Ooh. Now I'm just gonna do this side now. God, it's impossible. I'm just gonna use my fingernails. I know it's not a good thing. Yeah, I can see it kind of, sort of coming loose. Let me get this cord out of the way. It's off. Here's the mouse without this ring. You can see here they glued it like here, down here. Yeah, here's the Mighty Mouse. I'm probably not gonna put this ring back on. It's just for design purposes. Oh shit! Kind of screwed this part up. Not sure if it's gonna work. Oh, there you go. Shit, I screwed it up. Sorry if I'm cussing, I'm just kinda upset. Now what? There should be. I think there's little tabs back there. Gotta get that out. Okay. Ooh, there we go. Comes out just like that. See little two sensors back there? My favorite part of it. Alright. How am I gonna loosen up this part? This is gonna be toughy. I think it was. Oh shoot! Did I touch something? So.
Idiot.
Alright, hold on. That was my dad just calling me. Okay, now you gotta remove these two ribbon cables over here. I don't know, do you just pull on them? I'm not an expert on this, guys, sorry. This might seem a bit... If this thing stops working, it's my fault. And right now I'm attempting to pry off these ribbon cables. Oh my god. You like pull it here or something. Okay, here's a close up. Okay guys, I'll come back once I get these two apart. It's gonna take too long. Okay, so I got them removed. You just have to remove this part, I guess. And I got one of the pieces removed by accident. And yeah, I have to deal with that later, but maybe it broke them, but anyways. Here it is now, I just gotta screw them with this thing. Hey, hey Dad. Yeah, my dad's an expert at this. He knows that I take off the screws. He already took off two, this is one of them. He told me some things I needed to know about the screws that really made me upset, so yeah, right now he's working at it. I can't see what's going on there. But these screws are really hard to take out, so yeah, gotta watch out. If you're trying to take them out, you gotta be careful. So my dad, the expert, has gotten this part off, and you can see all this dust. Now I just gotta get this part off. Goodness. Wasn't that hard. It's just I just pulled on it like that, and yeah, it's disassembled. So here it is. Lay it right there. Okay, first let me find my screws. I don't want to lose them. If I do, that would be bad. Alright, the real thing itself's right here. With its little things, I don't know what you call them. You really gotta clean these things off. Alright, so clean it whichever way you want. Yeah, put it back in. Here it is, right side up. And when you put this thing back in, you gotta look at the back. You see this little part? When you put it back in, you gotta make sure this is back. It inserts right there. This little white part. And you just gotta make sure that the rollers, they're magnetics and they're really tiny, so they're really easy to lose. So make sure you put one this way, one pointing down, one pointing like this way, like one pointing this way, then this way, and so forth. So I'm just gonna reassemble this thing, then see if it works again. So I have the expert of screwing things in, screwing in the screws. He's better at it than I am. I clean it out, and yeah, it's really scary. Well, now my Mighty Mouse is back to life. Yeah, I revived it, and I didn't put this little ring back on. See there? Because you know, I might have to take this apart like months later when I have to refix this, disassemble it. Yeah. Oh yeah, and by the way, check out this dude. This is Raneko, R-A-N-E-K-O, for high quality close-ups of your Mighty Mouse when you take it apart. It's really nice.